How to withdraw from Paycare Wallet. So withdrawing from Bitget Wallet is quite easy. Head over to the wallet section, click on the token you currently own, and just go ahead and click on send. So we're going to be sending Sui over the Sui network. So you can select the network you'd like to send in. If you don't have tokens, you can go ahead and click on add a token and basically add some tokens, or click on my assets, and you can easily purchase or share your assets. All right, so with the token we have here being SUI, all you need to do is just basically provide a receiving address. So in order to provide a receiving address, minimize the application and then simply scroll till you find where you want to deposit your token. So if it's going to be on MetaMask, you can get your address from MetaMask. You can also scroll through, get your address from Phantom Wallet, or get it from the Rabby Wallet, or get it from Rainbow, or you could also get it from Trust Wallet. Any of these wallets would do the trick. For this video, I'm going to be making use of the Trust Wallet. So scroll till you find Trust Wallet, click on Trust Wallet. Let's go ahead and open up the wallet. Once the wallet has been opened up, go ahead and close out of here, and then you're going to see Sui on your list. In case you do not find the token, all you need to do is use the search icon at the top right. So you can simply click on search and then search for SUI, being Sui. Make sure it's on the Sui network. Click on the Sui chain and it's going to open up. Now just click on receive, copy the address, minimize, scroll till you find the Bitget wallet app, and then click on Bitget wallet and paste your receiving address. Enter the amount of SUI you'd like to send, and just go ahead and click on confirm. And that's it, guys. So